Hello friends, this question is from the subject of EDC, the topic of PN junction theory. In the question, one circuit is given which is have a combination of two diodes, and question says that assuming the diodes to be ideal, find the values of current I and voltage V in the circuit shown figure. So current I across diode D1 and the voltage V across diode D2 we need to calculate. So let us assume we make up an assumption that diode D1 and D2 both are conducting. Meaning to say that both are forward wise. So if diode D1 is conducting, it will behave like a short circuit wire and it will connect to the ground because terminal B is connected to the ground via diode D1. So if diode D1 will act as a short circuit wire, then my potential of terminal B is 0. So my VB will be 0. So if my VB will be 0, so I can calculate the current I across diode 2, because this current ID2 is flowing from 10 volt to the 0, to the terminal B is 0. So I can calculate current ID2 as 10 minus 0, where 10 is the potential of this and 0 is VB, upon 10K resistor, 10K. So it will comes as 1 milliamp. So 1 milliamp current is flowing across diode D2. So if I can apply KCL as VB, if I can apply KCL at VB or terminal B, so it will be, there is a current ID2 is flowing inside here, which will coming inside to the node B, and current ID1 will be flowing from diode D1 to the node B. So I can write it down as ID1 plus ID2, because according to KCL the sum of incoming current is equal to the sum of outgoing current. So incoming currents are ID1 and ID2. ID1 and ID2 are the incoming current, and outgoing current is current which is leaving out across the node B, which will be 0 minus 10 upon 5K, because only current which is leaving out to the node is the current flowing across the 5K resistor. So if I can simplify, I can put the value of ID2 here. So ID1 will be ID1 plus 1 milliamp upon 10 upon 5K, which is equal to 2 milliamp. So if I can simplify it is as an ID1 I can calculate as 1 milliamp. So value of ID1 is 1 milliamp. So current I, which is nothing but a current across the diode 1, which is nothing but a current across the diode D1. So it will be as, I can name it as I. A potential V. Potential V is the potential across diode D2. When diode D2 is conducting, it will behave like a short circuit wire. So it will behave like a short circuit wire. So potential across diode D2 will be 0. So V will be simply 0. So my correct option will be 0 and 1 milliamp, which is option D. Option D is my correct option this question. Thank you.